Hello, viewers and supporters. My name is Pixel, an AI animated avatar created by the Business Bench. Today, we will show you how to create an image generator using a mostly no-code platform called Bubble.io and using GPT's DALL image generator API. This image generator will be free to create, but costs API calls to generate images using OpenAI's DALL image model. Important note: you must have an OpenAI account and a payment method on OpenAI's API platform to get access to an API key. We won't be going over these terms by definition. We suggest our audience have a basic understanding of these things before attempting what we are about to show. Tools you'll need: Bubble.io account, free to sign up and use for this purpose. OpenAI API key, from platform openai.com/account/API-keys. Important note: API calls will require you to add a payment method on OpenAI's website. Even though the Bubble setup is free, API calls will cost money. Check out DALL's pricing here. platform.openai.com/docs/pricing. Create an account, add a payment method, generate an API key, and use it as your bearer token in the API connector plugin in Bubble. Step 1. Set up your Bubble app. Bubble has a free membership that can be used to create the image generator, and no payment info is required to sign up. Go to https://bubble.io. Create an account using an email and password. Click on Create a new app. Choose a blank template, name it something like Image Gen App. Once the editor opens, switch to the Design tab. Step 2. Design the interface. For the sake of this video, we will create a simple and basic user interface to save time. Add the following elements: an image element to display the generated image. Give this element a solid black border so you can see an outline around the image element box. A multi-line input, ID prompt input, placeholder, describe the image you want. A button, text, generate image. Important note: we are using a fixed placement style for the elements, so we can resize and fit things quickly. Step 3. Install the API connector plugin. Go to Plugins in Bubble, search for Bubble API connector, and install it. This is free to use. Step 4. Set up the OpenAI API. For DALL 3, OpenAI. In API connector, click Add another API. Name it OpenAI Image Gen. Add a new API call. Name: Generate image. Method: Post. Use this URL: https://api.openai.com/v1/images/generations. Add these headers: key, authorization, value, bearer API key, the API key you generate from OpenAI's platform, without the quotes. Important note: always leave a space after the word bearer. Then paste in your API key, content type, value, application/JSON. Body, JSON. This is a small bit of JSON code needed for the API to know what function you want to call and how you want the output to come out. JSON, copy edit. Model, DALL 3, prompt N1. Size, 512 by 512. Check, body type, JSON. Check, use as, action. Put in a placeholder prompt, in this case, a cat chasing a mouse, without the quotes when the key and value options show under the JSON. The prompt in the JSON is a placeholder for the prompt you will use in your Bubble image generator. Step 5. Create workflow for the button. Go to the Workflow tab, click New Workflow, scroll to Element Event. Click on An element is clicked. Select the name of your Generate button element. Add another step to the workflow by clicking the plus sign, then navigate to Plugins and select the name of the Image Generator API. In the Prompt field, insert Dynamic Value Prompt Inputs Value, which is the name of our prompt input element inside Bubble. Add another step called Set State of an Element. This is to save the generated image from the API into a saved state that can be loaded into the image element without saving the image locally or to a database. Select the index element. In the Custom State area, select Create Custom State, name it Image, and set state type to Image. Set the image element's image source to result of Step 1, Generate Images data.url in the Value section. Go back to the Design tab, click on your image element, set the dynamic image in the Appearance tab to index as image. If you have some design skill, you can create your own custom interface using Bubble's design elements, or use or create a Figma template. You can use this method to avoid subscriptions to third-party image generators, or if you simply want the knowledge to be able to create one. There are other image generator models that can be used like Flux and the new GPT-1 image models, but those can be more complicated. We wanted to keep this video short and simple. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment on the video. Did you think this content was useful? Don't be afraid to leave us some feedback or suggestions on the type of content you would like to see. Before you go, download our free PLR social media starter pack made for busy creators, marketers, and digital entrepreneurs. Link in description below. Inside, you'll get editable reels, plug-and-play planners, and content tools that help you automate smarter, brand better, and sell with ease, even if you're starting from scratch. Want more exclusive tools, secret drops, and creator motivation delivered straight to your inbox? Join our email list to unlock insider-only access to workflows, early bird freebies, and automation tips you won't find anywhere else. Like this video? Comment your thoughts or questions below. Share it with a fellow creator. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, powered by the Business Bench. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the smarter way to grow online.